please check out our shirt on Teespring.
I'm kind of excited about it. I never opened this kind of box before. As for the baseball opinion, 2022 baseball trading cards. It comes with autograph. Many cards. Let's see what kind of buried your treasure find. Hope you'll find. These are the kind of cards. What it looks on the side. Odds. Put in a pause. You want to see the odds? Best for you. Alright. Got it from Amazon. This is what the package look like. And behind. Sometimes these packages are nice and open. Okay. These cards comes with no team logos, but they have a little license with the Hall. I think the Hall of Fame in the first one. Robert Crew. Third story. Ooh, kind of unique card. Ooh, oh, the first one. Look at that, really card. It's kind of cool. Goes value right there. It was not numbered, but it's really cool. That first pack is really nice. And Hall of Fame, very looking. This guy's confused with the ball. Where's the ball? Last one, Jose. Next pack. So it comes with 7 cards. Definitely gonna edit this video. St. Louis. Oh, we tried this here. Max good with this William with the Dodgers. Now he's with the Mets. Houston, Roger Clemens should be a Hall of Fame. Lucky Benz, future Hall of Famer. Get Brave because Hall of Famer. I guess I'll putting these old cards and old players in Jazz. And this or not. What's your players? Let me know what I find Chapman. Next time I'll bring my scissors. There you go, Kirby. Oh, that's cool. That's pretty cool. Ooh. Good player. A future Hall of Famer. Okay, so a rookie class. You guys saw Background Mills. And next one is our next pack. Alright then. So you know what kind of cards you guys collect, what your teams. Garden. Oh, I got double players. Hall of Famers, and this is, well, that's kind of cool. Joe Morgan and Johnny Bench. Part of the Red Machines. And trademarks: Baltimore Orioles, Bresna, Philadelphia. Well, at least I got one relic. Okay. John Soto, he's with the Padres now. Ozzie Smith, Hall of Famer. That's cool. Kind of glittery. This one here. Frank Chin. Not about your career. Ryan Ford. Chris Bright. He's with the Giants for a little bit, most of the Cubs. and Jimmy Fox. So like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Maybe do better next time. Thanks for watching.